This is a little video on plants that are in the woods here in Val-des-Monts. It's September the 8th, 2025. So it's mostly leaves now to be seen, not much in the way of flowers. This is Hobblebush, H-O-B-B-L-E, bush. It's named that way, I think, because the stems can and branches can grow in a kind of a way that if you're walking among it, you can trip. So the leaves are big. They're opposite each other. They have a particular bud, which makes it easy to recognize this plant even in the winter when there's no leaves. Yeah, there's not much that looks exactly like this. I mean, basswood, which we may see soon, has a similarly big leaf, but is different, as we will show, and is alternate in arrangement. The leaves are not across from each other. This is honeysuckle. Again, leaves opposite from each other, egg-shaped leaves. Short petiole. I think it's fly honeysuckle. I'm not completely sure about that, but that's what I think the species is. And here we have basswood, which we said can look like hobblebush. These leaves are not looking very good now because of the time of year, that's for sure. But you can still make it out. Toothed, a good size indentation where the petiole attaches. And sometimes very big leaves, bigger than what we're seeing here. This is the bark. This is the bark of a young tree. It's different when it's grown. The close relative of basswood, which you find in the city, is linden, which has smaller leaves. Well, here's some bigger leaves of basswood. Here's a good one. Just with my hand there to show the size of it. They've got long petioles. You can see the length of this. And they're toothed, pale underneath. The bud looks like this. Like a bird's beak, a bird with a beak. But is chunkier and bigger in the winter, and as the spring approaches. It's quite a big bud. And you can see the alternate arrangement of the leaves here. They're not across from each other. They're one here, then one there, and then there'll be another one on the other side again. The ferns we see down there are called sensitive fern. Quite a lot of them. Seem to grow more where it's wetter, but not always. And then the other fern here, which doesn't look so much like a fern sometimes, is royal fern, which seems to me to be almost always close to water or right by the water. There's royal fern, lots of them, and of course right by the stream here.